families you can download and you can make it merge in a project files. So how many families you will make it a model in a project files, that much of families you can download it here. Okay, so like that, this template file is consisted in this way in the Revit. And family files, already Autodesk people, they have given some of the basic families in your Revit. You can go and check it with that family. So here, this template file and families file already from the Autodesk company they have given. By using that, we can able to develop a new project. That is authority already we have got. But if something you want to create yourself, because whatever the families the Autodesk people has given, that families I am not satisfied. Our client is also not satisfied because that is not at all matching at site. Because our model, BIM model is also something in this way like that. Whatever the component we are going to execute at construction building, whatever the services for the MVP we are going to execute at construction building, that should be match exactly your model also. Each and everything should be matched. Okay, if your site there will be a diesel generator is there. Am I right? That's an example. There is a diesel generator, DG set is there. But that DG set, if you see physically how it is looking with all sides, with all aspects of connectivity components, everything will be. So your model should be same as it is, how it is visible in physical. Don't do like that, oh, diesel generator means we have to create one box like, this is DG. Don't do like that. That is not a BIM model. It is just model, not BIM. DG set means everything should be same as it is in model. If you see the model, if you see the physically the DG set, it should be same as it. There will be nothing, even single 1 mm difference should not be come. That is our BIM model. We have to develop the model accurately. Same thing. Even the dimensionally or physically, the color, everything should be matched. Just example, I have given a DG, but not DG. Each and every component should be same as per the site. Should be matched. Okay. Verbally something you have created, this is model, you just assume and do it. Don't do like that. You should be perfect. Because the pipe means pipe should be there. There is a some walls, butterfly walls or some, so it should be same. Nothing you should keep it in model, this is wall, you just make it in model and just show it to presentation. Nobody will accept. Because the person who is working in the field of BIM, no one will be accepted. Because each and every component should be perfectly as per the site physically when it is going to be executed. Okay, so here in family templates also will be there on combination file, we can say. So family templates, whenever your family is not matching as per the Autodesk people has given the basic family, then you have to go and create a new family. So for creation of new family, you have to take the family templates. So here the description is to create a new family files. To create a new family files. So what is family templates? The family templates is required to create a new family file. So whenever you are going to create a new family files, you have to go and take the family template. So in family template also, there will be a number of templates will be there. That template files also Autodesk people has given, but only they have given the template files. In the template file, the creation of the model you have to do as per your requirement at site. The dimensionally, physically, how you are going to develop the model, you have to do the same model in template file. So here there is multiple templates they have given as per the category of the component. If you are going to create a column, so you have to take the column template. When you are going to create a door, you have to take the door template. When you are going to create a windows, you have to take the window template. Like that, architecture structure people, they will work in this way. There are multiple templates are there as per the category of the component. Which category the component is exist. When come to the MEP side, if the person is going to be create a mechanical component like big equipment, so there is a mechanical equipment template is there. If the person is going to be create a walls like butterfly walls, strainer walls, yeah, some ball wall, yeah, isolated wall. So there is a pipe accessories component is there, template is there. So like that, each and every component category wise, we have to select the template. Don't do like that. I want to create a door, but you have taken window template. In window template, you can able to create the door. But what will happen when you will loaded this family into a Revit file? Your door will be visible. Everything will be visible. But your category of the door is going to be showing window template. And when you will take the quantity of the door, that time your door quantity will be not come. It will become in window template. When you will take window quantity, that time in window quantity will become. So like that it will be happen. So that is the reason when you will choose any component for the creation of new family, you have to choose perfectly that category template. You have to do. Sometimes what will happen, some of the component will be there, but there is no category template is matching with that component. Maybe something will be there that time because Autodesk people has given, but we can't say all the required category they have provided us. They may be, they may not be. So that time if it is happening in such a way that, sir, my component is something, but my category template is not available here, then what I have to do? So like that, Autodesk people, they have given some generic templates. Generic means it's a basic, just default. If it is not matching with the category of the component, then you have to go generic template. So generic template will be giving that same model, it's a universal. Maybe it's an electrical component, maybe mechanical component, maybe architectural structure. It's a unique or universal we can say. Okay, so like that here there is a multiple templates in there. So here in the family templates, category wise we have to select the template. Category wise means component categories. Category wise component has to be selected while creating the family. You have to select the category wise component or else default generic template. If it is not matching the category, then you have to go with the generic template. So in generic template also you can able to create the family. So that is family template. So you just clear it. Template file is different, family file is different, template file is also different. There are three types of folder will be there separately. Because the template file not at all matching with the family file is not at all matching with the template file. Template is totally different, family totally different, and family templates is also totally different. It is not related to each other. But when you are going to make it model, the category wise the family template is required for creating the families. Okay, again here one more it is the project templates. Project template is also the same. To create a new template file. To create a new template file. So why we require project template means to create a new template file. Because some companies still right now, because they are creating a new template for their projects as per the requirement of the component. So how it is happening? Because the Autodesk people already they have given some of the templates like architecture, structure, mechanical, some default templates they have given. But some company they will not satisfy with that template. Because the template is there, but that is basic for starting the project. But that template they are not ready to use. So that's the reason some company people, they are creating this type of template separately, their own creation. So that time they have to go project template and have to create a new template. So whatever the setup, whatever the families is there in Autodesk families template, same thing again, they will creating a template with all setup of the projects, and that template they are inserting all the families as per the project how they require. And whenever they are going to start a new project, so that their own creation template what they have developed along with all families, all setup, that template file they are taking for creating a new project, but they are not at all using this Autodesk template file. So if you are going to utilize your own creation template also, if possible, we can able to create here by using project templates. So project template and family templates has your customization tool, we can say. A customization application is user friendly component, because we can use, we can develop as per your requirement, you can do it. And existing the template file and family file, that is Autodesk people has given to you, that's all. Because if you don't know how to create a family, you can use our family file. If you know, you can go and create it. So family template is there, you can create it. So Autodesk people, they have given in such a way that if you don't know, you can use our component. If you know, you can create it. That's all. So two ways they can have given. And that's where we are working in a project. So here the template file, family files, family template, project template is very much important as per the requirement of the project. So most of the company outside, they are developing their own template. Some company people, when they are going to start a project, so that time the company people directly they are asking to the client, sir, if you have any template file for this project, you just provide me. So as per your template, I will work in my project. So some company people, they are creating their own template separately, and that template directly they are giving to the company who is going to be developing the model. So directly they are using that template. But some company, they have not prepared any template. So that time you have to go, you have to create your template, you can work it. Or else if you don't know how to create the project templates, then you have to utilize the Autodesk template files. That Autodesk template file also you can able to develop the model. There will be nothing difference will become. Because Autodesk template also will be a template file in that, but basic families will be there. You develop your own families. You develop your own setup separately. So that template also we can able to do customization. And that will be happen here. So this way our project is going to be a startup in big combination application. Okay, so here how this template file, because the template file will be having separate folder. So folder name will be having template files only, but here the family files will be having separate folder. In that separate folder, the name of the folder will be libraries. In that library folder, you will find family files, and family templates folder you will find family template files, but project template there will be no folder. We have to create a template, then only that template file is going to be created a new folder, because exist it will be not there. So template file it is exist with us with folder. There are number of templates. Family file is also there. Project family template is also there. But project template there is no family project template folder will be there. Okay, so like that the project has been going to be developed and we have to create this. But this template file, family files, project template, family templates also will be having different languages also. Because right now, not only India, but even India, all the peoples, all the computers work, we are using English. Am I right? Because everyone know English. But if you go China, those peoples, they are using English, but some area, but most of the area they are using Chinese only. So like that here, this template files, family template, Autodesk peoples, they have developed this Revit in language wise also. Chinese, Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish, Germanese, Italians, like that. There are multiple languages they have developed this Revit tool. Because when you will click the menu, there will be their language, the menu will be written. Not only English, English will be not there. Because those countries people, they are preferring their language, they are giving valuable for their language. Okay, but we are familiar with English, so we are using English. So like that, English language will be there, Portuguese, Spanish, Italians, Chinese, like that, many languages. The template file is also there, family file is also there, family template is also there. So which language the country people they are going to work, they will use their language template file. They will take their template. It is already available here. In template folder, if you go number of languages wise, you will find the templates. So which language you familiar, you just go that language, all the menus will be visible that language only. If you understand, you can work out.